In front of me is BLACKVIEW A80S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Privacy. Then tap on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features you wish to manage. Then click on one of your apps, select one of those options and go back. If you want to, you can also select an app and instead of picking one of those, choose See All Permissions over here. Then operate all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!